Tonight we're about to rip this town in half with the Kukirin G4 since we have a lot of range on it. This traffic is wild compared to what I'm used to, not gonna lie. But anyway, here we are. I had to see these places at night. Bucharest capital is beautiful and I want to spin my wheels pretty much everywhere. That guy right there is me spinning around like an NPC, so let's get into the night ride. Yo, check this out. Wow, this place gives me Dubai vibes. Cute light show, not gonna lie. I want to explore this town and I have no idea where I'm heading, but I want to show you a huge building. Don't mind the squeaking noise of my suspension. Looks like it's about to get dark in this huge capital. It's so fun to ride on a road like this with no traffic at all. You might wonder, dude, why are you wearing winter gloves? Well, that was before Kukirin sent me these beauties and because they were soft and cozy. The real question is, why am I holding a gun in my right hand in the damn public? Well, that was there just in case anyone tries to steal my scooter, you know. Ah, there it is. That's the heaviest building in the world and the second largest administrative one after the Pentagon. This street is so dark I can't see the holes in it. I have to admit to you guys, this scooter is so smooth on the street. With all this range, you could explore any place with no fear of dead battery. Also, the large wheels are nice to have. Potholes can get dangerous with smaller ones. I will describe this town as a good place to grow. You know, lots of streets, fancy places and all that. But living into it every day could eventually lead to a nightmare due to this traffic. I am so happy for having the chance of riding together with you guys on the same exact scooters in different places of my country. I want to explore as much as possible on them. Let me know in the comments, where should I spin my wheels next in Romania? Among all the positive aspects I could share about this G4, one significant downside is its brakes. It's not like they are not good, but they don't feel as smooth as any hydraulic ones I've ever experienced. It has some e-brake going on, but it's really weak compared to the G2 Master. Looks like my father is in town. I cannot believe how much range this thing has. I've been maintaining this speed since forever and battery says, that's all you've got? I don't know about you guys, but for me, just riding around is like pure therapy. I like this town. It was a pleasure riding around here today. Until the next time, you are amazing. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. Don't forget to spin some wheels for today. Subscribe if you didn't. It will mean a lot to this community. We're about to be 1000 legends on this channel, so stay tuned.